In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the grid feature in Adobe Acrobat on both PC and Mac. Understanding how to leverage grids can significantly enhance your document editing and formatting capabilities, offering precision and alignment that make your work look polished and professional. So let's dive into the process and make sure you can use this feature like a pro. First, you'll need to open a PDF document using Adobe Acrobat. Launch the program and either open an existing file from your device or create a new one. Once you have your document open, direct your attention to the menu located at the top left corner of your screen. This is your starting point for accessing various functions and tools within Adobe Acrobat. Now, to access the grid feature, click on the menu, then navigate to View. Here, a drop-down menu will appear. Scroll down till you find Show Hide and hover over it. This will expand another menu where you'll select Rulers and Grids followed by Grid. Doing this will activate the grid overlay on your document, allowing you to see the grid lines across your document. This visual aid helps in ensuring everything aligns neatly. If you're someone who prefers quick navigation, you can also enable the grid using a keyboard shortcut. Simply press Ctrl+U on your keyboard. This is a handy tip to save time when working on multiple documents, or if you need to toggle the grid on and off frequently. Next, let's talk about snapping objects to the grid. This feature ensures that elements in your document align perfectly along the grid lines, giving your project a clean and organized look. Again, start by clicking on the menu at the top left. From here, select View, move to Show Hide, and under Rulers and Grids, choose Snap to Grid. This choice glues your objects or elements directly to the grid lines as you move them around. If you wish to customize the grid settings, you can tailor them to suit your specific needs. Begin by clicking on the menu and selecting Preferences. Navigate to the Units and Guides category. This section allows you to adjust the units used for pages and rulers, including options for centimeters, inches, millimeters, picus, or points, depending on your project's requirements. Furthermore, under Layout Grid, you can set the grid's layout to fit the particular design or format you're aiming to achieve. Once you've made your preferred adjustments, it's important to finalize by clicking OK. This will apply your changes across the document, ensuring all your elements are precisely aligned as intended. By following these steps, you'll find that the grid feature in Adobe Acrobat is a powerful tool enhancing both your workflow efficiency and the visual integrity of your documents. Happy editing!